All right, so we did some forms, put on a big thing of clay, make them out so they're 3 inches between, 3 inches around, and then we just took some, Kelly had some of these sheets you put in a laminator, laminate paper together, but we used them, and we put them all around the outside, and then took our molds and pushed them in, because the last ones we didn't do very well. So that's what we did there. Used a rolling pin to straighten it out. As far as, so we took the sculptor's clay that we got, took this sculptor's clay, laid it out, and then went back and used a screwdriver to go around the outside so this would sit in nice. And this is our masks, and we put clay just to put them together. And I'm gonna form now. So I'm just gonna mix what you're making now. It is by Smooth On, 1-to-1 ratio, and we'll see that after the pour. All right, so we poured epoxy, or we poured silicone, and we did 1.5 liters, 48 ounces of both the silicone and the hardener in here. We're gonna wait, it says wait 5 minutes, we're gonna wait 10 to 15. Make sure our silicone is set up nice. And the table wasn't level, so we had to raise it up a little bit to make sure we had a nice even across. And if I pull them out and I feel the mold's not good enough, then I'll pour a little bit more on top and then pour some in this, and yeah, we'll go from there. See you soon.